Arav, good morning. Good morning, Bhavya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Angel. Good morning, Tarani. How are you all doing?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Fine, ma'am. And how are you?
Good. Tell me, in the last class that we had, where did we stop? Like, what exactly we were doing?
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have
we were
finished the chapter explanation and we have to start from exercises.
start with exercises.
Fine. There were certain assignments that I had assigned you. Did I tell you that for this chapter, second one?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Anybody knows the strength of the class? What is the exact number of students in your class? Anybody knows?
Ma'am, right now there are 20 students.
Right
Ma'am,
now,
but nearly 40 are there.
nearly 40 are there. Okay. Now we'll
Good
be
morning.
meeting. Good morning. Was this Aditya or Abhay?
Ma'am Aditya.
Aditya. Okay. How is Payal doing?
I'm very nice.
That's nice.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Utkarsh. Enjoyed your holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
How much? Lot?
I'm very,
Lot or little bit only?
I'm
Class?
very much.
Good morning, Bacha. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Lakshanya. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ved. How are you?
Ma'am, nice.
Okay. Quickly, your attendance. By the time I'm taking attendance, you people can look in for, like, you
Good
people
morning,
can.
ma'am.
Good morning, Yashraj. Can we have the cameras on for everyone so that I can see, I can be familiar with your faces, right? Okay. Alin Tandon. We have Ved, right? Aditi, okay. We have Vidushi, we have Ridhima, we have Payal. Then we have Aditya. Okay, Angel has not changed a bit. Her hair have grown long, right? Angel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bhavya, fine. Karthik Chauhan, okay. Muskan Chaudhary. Angel, Anand. How is Ayush, Angel?
Ma'am, very well, just studying.
He's studying, busy with his classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Yashraj, do you have an elder sister in the same school?
No, ma'am, I don't have a brother as well as a sister. I'm single.
Okay, but you remind me of one girl. There is a girl in one of the senior classes. You exactly look like her, you know.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji beta.
Ma'am, if you get time, please send her pic.
Of that girl?
Yes, ma'am. I will get
Sure.
to know someone who looks like me.
Exactly. I'll say. And I have told Payal, she reminds me of one of my very good student. I think in the previous class I told you, no? Good. Okay. Agrima, fine. Alishpa, okay. Priya, fine. Let us start with the attendance. Alind Tandon,
Present, ma'am.
right. But I would request everyone that because this will be a, like, whenever you have a class, this will be a practice for the attendance. So I would request you all to join the class as soon as the time starts so that we can, save on the time. Arav, do we have Arav in the class? No, but I took him in the meeting. Maybe he got disconnected, right? Aditi Gupta, Aditya Kumar Gangwar,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Mishra, Aditya Mishra, not there. Agrima Singh, right?
Yes, ma'am, I'm present.
Okay. Alizba Fatma.
Yes, ma'am.
It's Fatma or Fatima?
Ma'am, Fatima.
Okay, Fatma. Angel,
Yes, ma'am.
then Angel Anand,
Present, ma'am.
then Ansh Patel. We have Ansh Patel. No, Anushka Sharma. Okay. Anushka Sharma, do we
Yes,
have?
ma'am.
Beta, can you switch on the camera, Bacha? Who is this? Swatik. See, Swastik ka A is not there. Swastik is
Ma'am,
there.
ma'am, he's saying ki ma'am, he's unable to rechange his name. So
No, once he'll join the class, I'll tell him to change. He can. Like, Swastik, you can correct the spelling of your name.
Ma'am, I think he can do it from the mobile.
No, from the, like, the device from which he's attending the meeting, from there also he can. Then
Yes,
Anushka,
Ma'am, he was.
Ma'am,
camera,
you can also change his name.
but
Ma'am, you can also change his name.
I
ma'am,
have
he
to
has
change.
changed.
I'll do it then.
Ma'am, he has
Now
changed.
he has changed. See, Swastik, okay. Ayush Agarwal is there in the class.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Ayushi Vashisht, not there in the class. Bhavya Tyagi,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Chaitanya Agarwal, I can't find him here in the class. Not there. Karthik Chauhan, yes, is there.
Present,
Karthik,
ma'am. Yes,
I
ma'am.
can't see. Very good. Karthike SRIM, what is this?
Present, ma'am.
Karthike SRIM, the another Karthike.
Ma'am, I have written only Karthik.
No. One is Karthik Chauhan, and one is
Yes, ma'am.
Karthike. So Karthik Chauhan, acha, there is no surname. You have not specified your surname.
No, ma'am, I don't have surname.
Okay.
मतलब मैं लिखता नहीं.
नहीं लिखते हैं आप, otherwise है ना? Then Khushi
Yes, ma'am.
Rathod, Khushi Rathod,
Now.
Krishna Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Krishna is there in the class. Can I see
Yes,
how
ma'am.
you look like? Can I see how do you look like? Krishna? Okay. Then Lakshanya Arora.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Laksh Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Where is Laksh Kumar? बेटा कैमराज ऑन कर लिया करो बच्चे, कभी हमें आपको मिलेंगे तो हम आपको पहचान नहीं पाएंगे ना. कैमराज ऑन करा करो so that I can be familiar with your faces. Meghavi Prasar. Just a second. Hello. Good morning. जी हाँ जी, मेघावी, डू वी हैव एनी मेघावी इन द क्लास? नो? देन मोहम्मद फहाम.
Present.
Okay, it is Faham or Faham?
Faham.
Faham. Muskan?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Muskan is present. Muskan Chaudhary, right? Navya Goel?
Present, ma'am.
This is Navya only, no? Or Navya?
Yes, ma'am.
Navya.
Ma'am,
Goel.
Navya.
Niruz?
Present, ma'am.
Can I see your pretty face, Niruz? How are you?
Ma'am, fine.
Hi, very good. Payal Gangwar?
Present, ma'am.
Pranjal Gupta? Pranjal Gupta? Do we have Pranjal in the class? No. बेटा आदित्य मिश्रा क्लास में है क्या? Okay, here comes Chaitanya. प्रांजल गुप्ता पता नहीं कहाँ है. प्रत्युष सिंह? प्रत्युष, are you there बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. प्रिया गंगवार?
Present, ma'am.
But this is Ridhima or Priya? Where is Priya? Priya, Priya, I can't see you. Okay, fine. Yes, got you. Ridhima Lamba, Saksham Patel.
Present, ma'am.
Saksham Patel, okay. Saksham Sahu,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Swastik Sansaria,
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Kanishka Chaudhary,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Tarini,
Present, ma'am.
Utkarsh Singh Tomar,
Present, ma'am.
then Ved Agarwal,
Present, ma'am.
Vidushi Gangwar,
Ma'am.
okay. Any name that I have left, not taken?
Ma'am, Aditya Mishra also present.
Aditya Mishra joined late, so I have marked you present. Arav is there in the class? No. Chaitanya Agarwal has joined the class, I believe.
Ma'am, you didn't take
No,
my name.
Whose name I didn't take? Yashraj Yadav.
Ma'am, Yash.
This
Yes,
is what
ma'am.
actually there is a misprint over here. What is your SR number? Can you tell?
Ma'am, 1759.
1759 and Yash Raj Yadav. Fine.
Ma'am, any more detail needed?
Any?
More detail needed or not?
No. Actually, your name was misprint in the list actually.
I'm sad.
No, it's not sad. You are there.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
Always guide up. Fine. So we have total 40 students in the class. Out of these 40, 35 have joined, 34 have joined. Okay.
ma'am, no 33 because ma'am 1 is the only.
No, 35. See on the screen, it is showing 35. No, Ansh
Ma'am,
Patel has
excuse
done-
me.
Ma'am, it is showing 35 by including you.
That is why I said no, 34 are there in the class.
Ma'am, you are you have two accounts or one account?
No, one account only, beta.
Okay, that's okay, understood.
Only one account I have. Fine.
Ma'am, first time 34 students in one class from single section.
Really? But
Ma'am,
I
yes,
believe
ma'am,
I
think.
believe in 8C. Generally, this much of the strength is there.
No, ma'am, 20 to 25 or 30.
Really? Maybe then, okay,
Yes.
7C, maximum students come in 7C. Okay. बेटा देखो पहला दिन है आज छुट्टियों के बाद, तो बोर हो गए थे घर में बैठे बैठे, तो क्लास ज्वाइन कर लिया. अब 2 दिन बाद क्लासेस से बोर हो जाएंगे तो घर में बैठेंगे आराम से. Isn't it?
Ma'am, now the participants
Yes,
are
ma'am.
36.
Now the participants are 36. So who has joined us recently? Ansh Patel. No, I told you Ansh Patel has joined. Chaliye. So we were on the question.
15 minutes in attendance.
This is actually beta. First day of the class is always, half the time goes in, asking questions, talking about the holidays and other things. And moreover, because I never wanted to, put questions to you people for the chapter. That is why I thought of relaxing you a little bit and having little masti by talking. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. We need to start with the exercises, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
But
Ma'am,
before-
which chapter?
chapter 2 we have completed of history.
Ma'am,
Of
second
this.
chapter of geography.
Second chapter of geography, right? Soil
So we have
and
to do exercises, right?
land and soil resources. We need to start with the exercises. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am, can you wait for me to open the page?
page number 147. Can you all see the board clear? No? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So I'll be writing certain things on the board and I'll show it to you so that you can take a screenshot, or later on, like some work I have assigned. So let us start with the exercises. Bhavya,
Yes, ma'am.
first exercise, first question.
Okay, ma'am. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Number 1, the percentage of the total surface area of the earth that is covered by land is option B, 30.
30%. Very good. Option B, 30%. Next, Agrima, second fill in the blank.
Ma'am, for grazing.
No, the alpine okay. You need to read the statement also, Agrima. Okay, next time say we'll do that. So the correct answer
Okay.
for blank is grazing, option D. Payal, third one.
India's forest cover is 22%.
Okay, India's forest cover is 22%, option A. Very good. Yash Raj, fourth one. Yash
Ma'am,
Raj,
actually, I don't know these.
you have not read the chapter.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can you
Ma'am,
please tell the
actually,
first and second
I
one?
didn't attended the class for 14 days.
that is fine. But then when you were having vacations, you could have read the chapter, no? These are very
Ma'am,
easy.
I studied another chapter. Sorry. Ma'am, I will read this one.
Okay.
Ma'am, please tell the first and second answer.
Ansh, first is 30%, option B. Second is D option, grazing. The Ganga plain is covered with, yes, Aditya, would you like to give?
Ma'am, I have answer. I think so.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
know.
Wait now.
Ma'am,
Aditya,
Ganga plain is covered with alluvial soil.
option D, alluvial soil. Very good. Yash Raj, fifth one.
Ma'am, I was correct.
Haan. Gully erosion is common in?
Campbell Valley.
Yes,
A.
Ma'am, Chambal Valley.
Tumble Valley. Very good. Coming to true false. Angel Anand. First
Yes,
one.
ma'am. Land under agriculture is less in India than in the UK. False. The India would be cut and it would be written as UK, and the UK would be cut and written India.
Yes. Land under agriculture is less in UK than in India. Okay? All have done?
Yes, ma'am. What is the correction?
Correction is you need to cut India and write UK, and cut UK and write India. Right? Then second one, Payal. Wait. Navya.
Ma'am, it's true.
It's true. Planned land use helps in its optimum utilization. When we plan the land use, it is the maximum utilization we are able to make of it, right? Very good. It is true. Third one. Can we have Tarani answering? Next is Angel, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Third one,
It
Tarani.
takes 10 years to get a 2 to 3 centimeter thick layer of soil. Ma'am, it's true.
Are you sure?
Ma'am, it's false.
Ma'am, it false.
Years.
Ma'am, it's
Yes,
thousands
ma'am,
of
it
years.
was.
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am.
No, it's okay, no problems. You need to underline 10 years and you need to rectify it. It takes thousands of years to get a 2 to 3 centimeter thick layer of soil. Done? Okay. Fifth, Ved will tell, okay, Ved?
Okay.
Fourth one, Angel.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
The
yes.
minerals present in the soil
nothing,
depend
nothing.
upon the type of parent rock. It is true.
Yes, the mineral present in the soil depend upon the type of the parent rock. It is true. Ved.
Ma'am, laterite soils are found in the Himalayan region first.
Then what is the correct answer?
Ma'am,
I
it's
don't
found
know the
near
correct-
West Bengal, Chhattisgarh.
Yes, Ved. It is
Eastern and Western Ghats.
Eastern and West Bengal.
the laterite soil is common in the places where there is excessive rainfall. So it is written over here, Eastern and Western Ghats and Northeast India. You can write Eastern and Western Ghats and Northeast India. Right? Done the corrections?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the match the following. Can we have Ridhima doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
See, match the columns. Column A, alluvial soil. Column B, C1, deposition of sand and silt.
Option C, deposition of sand and silt. Very good. Then we have Alishba. Second one, black soil.
Ma'am, weathering of volcanic rocks.
Yes, black soil we obtain from weathering of volcanic rocks. Very good. Khushi Rathod.
Red soil. Weathering of igneous rocks.
Weathering of igneous rocks. Very good. Fourth one, Angel Anand.
Ma'am, it comes from weathering of volcanic rocks.
No, beta, that was
Yes.
for the black soil. That was for the black soil. Red soil is weathering of igneous rocks.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the mountain soil, deposition of organic matter.
Mountain soil is deposition of organic matter. Very good. Then can we have Kartikeya answering?
Ma'am, fifth one is deposition of sand in arid regions.
Desert soil is deposition of sand in arid regions. Arid means dry regions where hardly rainfall takes place, right? Fill in the blanks. Can we have Karthik Chauhan answering? Do we have Karthik?
Yes,
here?
ma'am.
Yes, Karthik.
Wise use of resources is called conservation.
No. Ridhima? Bhavya. What is the wise use of resources called?
Ma'am, it's conservation.
No, beta, it's not conservation.
Land use.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Overuse.
Yes, Niruz.
Ma'am, resource planning.
It
ma'am,
is
resource planning.
beta. Wise use of resources is called resource planning. Chaliye. Next. Alishba.
Land provides almost 95% of our requirements.
Very good. Do we have Krishna Gupta in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the next blank. Third one. The plateau region.
Ma'am, the plateau regions of the world are rich in minerals.
Very good. Then Vidushi, fourth one. Vidushi. Okay, Payal.
A view of the different layers of soil is also known as soil profile.
Very good. A view of the different layers of a soil is known as soil profile. Fifth one, Alishba.
Humus provides organic matter to the soil.
Very good. All the exercises done. Any doubts left?
Ma'am, excuse me.
Please tell us second one, true, false.
Second true false is planned land use helps in optimum utilization. It is true.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Somebody said, excuse me. Yes, Yashraj.
Ma'am, excuse me. I was asking something.
Yes, yes. Ask.
Ma'am, I was saying, can you tell me the answer of third, fourth, and fifth? Fill in the blank.
Third is minerals. Fourth is layers. And fifth is humus.
I'm done.
Done? Okay. Niruz.
Yes, ma'am.
Niruz, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
First answer, E. And Ved, second answer.
Okay, ma'am. Mention
Excuse
any
me, ma'am.
four use of land.
Uses
Page
of,
141.
yes.
Cultivation of crops. First point. Second, grazing of animals. Third, mining, constructing roads. Fourth, houses and other buildings.
Very good. Very good. These uses are given on page number 141, where land use is given, right? You can write, there are various, several uses of land, namely, land can be used for cultivation of crops, it can be used for grazing of animals, it can be used for mining, it can be used for constructing roads, it can be used for constructing houses, it can be used for the construction of other buildings and setting up of industries, right? Right, class? All have marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Fine. Now coming to the next question, Ved, are you ready?
Ma'am, I don't know the answer.
Okay, no issues. Can we have Angel Anand telling the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell.
What is the percentage of the total land area in India that is covered by forests and pastures respectively? 22% and 4%
Yes,
respectively.
yes. The percentage of the total land area in India that is covered by forest is 22% and pastures is 4% respectively, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then Alishba, no, Tarini, do you know the third one? How are
Yes, ma'am.
tell how are human activities responsible for soil erosion?
Ma'am, page number 145.
Okay.
Soil erosion is caused by both physical and human factors. The
Mhm.
physical factors include slope of the land, intensity of rainfall, and velocity of the wind. The
Mhm.
human factors that contribute to soil erosion are deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers, over-irrigation, and unscientific farming methods.
Very good. I hope all have marked and underlined.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can we just write
Yes,
for
ma'am.
human factors?
Beta, you can
Yes,
specify both the factors
Ma'am,
and
because it asked only about the human activities.
so you write about human factors, but then try to write it in points, okay? Whichever answer you are doing, whichever question you are doing, make sure that you do your answers, you give your answers in points. Because giving your answers in point will make it easy to remember. Plus, you will be able to make out that all the points you have covered or not. When you write in paragraphs, we generally tend to, forget some of the points, right? Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Coming to the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
question, what are shelter belts? Yes, Agrima.
In dry areas where wind erosion is common, rows of trees and shrubs should be planted to check the velocity of the wind. These are called shelter belts. Ma'am, on page 145.
Yes. Anybody else for the same question? Anybody who can
It's the
modify
same.
the answer? Agrima, can you repeat the answer again?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
In dry areas where the wind erosion is common, rows of trees and shrubs should be planted to check the velocity of the wind. These are called shelter belts.
Okay. Or in other words, you can say, just a second. Huh? What we can say is, we can say the, yes, Karthike?
Ma'am, can you please tell the third and fourth fill in the blanks?
Just a second.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Anji beta.
Ma'am, is it a break after this class?
No.
Like
After
15 minutes break.
that 15 minutes break you will get after 10:25. Okay.
Oh, ma'am, I will utilize it.
The correct answer is planting rows of trees in the dry areas to check the velocity of wind is called shelter belts. Planting trees in rows
Ma'am, can you repeat the answer?
Huh?
Ma'am, can you repeat the answer?
Can anybody repeat?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta.
Planting rows of trees and shrubs to check the velocity of the wind in dry areas are called shelter belts.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can we write a line of trees or shrubs planted to protect an area, especially a field of crops, from fierce weather is called a shelter belt?
You can
Ma'am,
write
it's from
instead of line, you can write rows, right?
Okay.
That will also be correct. Chalo, next question. Next question is, how can crop rotation help in maintaining the fertility of the soil? Can we have Angel telling the answer?
Yes, ma'am. On page number 146, the heading crop rotation. Crop rotation is a system of cultivating different crops on the same land in each year. As different crops need different minerals from the soil, this prevents any type of nutrient from being exhausted from the soil.
Right, exactly as it is, you need to write in the answer. I hope I am clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
again tell it?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please tell it again?
Beta, it is on page 146, crop rotation. In bold it is written, the whole paragraph up till soil.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Got? Okay. Coming to the EF exercise, with the help of a neatly labeled diagram, describe a soil profile. I think I told you to make the diagram of soil profile, which is given on page
Yes,
number
ma'am.
143, right?
Yes.
So you'll be writing the answer from page 142. Soil develops in horizontal layers. Come to page 143. A view of the different layers of soil is known as a soil profile. There are 4 distinct layers of soil. And then all the 4 parts that are given over here need to be explained as it is. and the diagram to be drawn on the plain side, neat diagram. Colors to be used, but only pencil colors. Nobody to use sketch colors, right?
Can you repeat once?
Page 142, soil develops in horizontal layers. Page 143, a view of the different layers of soil is known as soil profile. There are 4 distinct layers of soil. Topsoil, the very fine particles of topsoil, subsoil, substratum, and bedrock. All these 4 to be written, explained properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, the diagram would be colored or not?
It has to be colored, beta. It has to be colored.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? And please use pencil colors only. No one to use wax colors or sketch colors or watercolors. Right? Right? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming to the next question. Classify soils on the basis of their color and texture. It is given on page number 143. Types of soils, whole paragraph into points. Types of soils, whole paragraph into points. Right?
Okay,
5 or
ma'am.
6. After every full stop, you change the point. Okay?
Ma'am, which paragraph?
Page
Types of soil.
143, types of soils. That there is just one paragraph given.
143.
Page 143, types of soils. One paragraph is given, this whole paragraph into points. Right? Then you have distinguished between sheet erosion and gully erosion. Yes,
Ma'am,
Angel?
excuse me. Ma'am, I am not able to find the answer.
Beta, page 143, types of soils is written, paragraph.
Ma'am,
Last
found it.
paragraph.
Found it.
Now, distinguish between sheet erosion and gully erosion. So this sheet erosion and gully erosion is given on page 144. Up till the large area on page 145. First 2 lines of the first paragraph for gully erosion, right? You will be drawing a partition on the page. One side you will write sheet erosion, the other side you will write gully erosion, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, like
Fine.
differentiate.
This is differentiate only, no?
Okay, ma'am.
Then answer the following questions in 80 to 100 words. Explain, giving suitable examples, how human and economic factors determine the type of land soil. This is given on page number 141 and 142, right? You need to chalk out the important points and write. I hope you'll be able to do it on your own.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think it's on
Yes, ma'am.
page number 142. Ma'am, there is only one paragraph about
Physical
it.
factors is given on 141 and human factors are given on 142. Okay. Then coming to the second question of G part.
Excuse me, ma'am, but
Yes.
the question is not asking
Ma'am,
about
but
physical
the
factors.
last about human and economic
So
factors
only
only.
economic factors you write. So only the economic factors to be written. Okay. Then account of various methods of soil conservation. It is given on page 145. Except for overgrazing, all the points to be given in detail. Except for overgrazing, all the points to be given in details. Right?
Okay,
Ma'am, the
ma'am.
last answer was on which page number?
It is on page 145, beta. I hope I am clear to all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And the activity and the